Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a scrolling screenshot on iPhone. So if you want to take a scrolling screenshot on iPhone, here's how it works. So for you to be able to take a scrolling screenshot on iPhone, you have to take it on a scrolling website pages. So which means this method actually works only on website pages, because when you want to take a scrolling pictures, it takes you to take a very long pictures, a very long screenshot with a full caption. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your browser, and you can just easily go to a website that has very long page. For example, now I just open this, and this also has a kind of long page. So right now I'm just going to take a screenshot of this website. So if you're an iPhone user, just hold on your volume button, then your control button, then you do the screenshot. Then once you do that, then you tap on the screenshot, then right here you switch to the full page option. Once you do that, you switch to the full page option. Once you do that, then you can now have the full list of the scrolling page. You can see right here, just tap on this option, then you can see this is the remaining pages of the screenshot, and you can save all these to your phone at once. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.